Hey guys, it is the 13th of December. We have a 40mm no-name brass padlock. I think this is the second year of this. I actually need to put a ring on it. I put key rings on the locks resembling how many years of Christmas series I have tried. Once they have been unpicked for 3 years, not because I haven't tried them, but because I haven't been able to pick them for 3 seasons, they go to the naughty bucket. I can't keep them in the same bucket. And that goes for all of the locks I have in the Christmas series bucket. And I think this is the second year for this lock, so I have to put a ring on that after this video, if it doesn't open. Let's try. And see if it works. If it doesn't, we need to put on a different, I'll put in a different tensioner. Also, I'm pretty sure we can bypass it. We can try that afterwards if it opens. Okay, just by that, I think we need something a little smaller. I have one here a little bit smaller. If that doesn't work, you have to go and find a tiny pick. Come on. Yes. Second year, but we got it. I don't know why it didn't open last year, but hey, there you go. Oh, wait, don't push over anything there. All right, let's lock it. And as I said, just for fun. What? Oh, okay. Okay, we can't maybe. Yep. It doesn't feel like it's shielded. I can't hold it. But I can't grab it either. Anywho, we did pick it. We get it on the tree. Whee! Boom. 13 locks so far. All right. 13, so we only have 11 left. Yeah. 11 more days of Christmas series. Haha. Love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.